Socratic questioning technique. Pratelan Ningsih Mirmo, SMA Negeri 50 Jakarta, Wednesday, February 19, 2025. This recording is a response on how teachers can develop creativity and critical thinking skills. Developing creativity and critical thinking skills is one problem which is raised in the academic article of Pembelajaran Mendalam menuju Pendidikan Bermutu untuk semua, which was released by Kementerian Pendidikan Dasar dan Menengah Republik Indonesia on February 2025. This recording is long. This recording is long, so I suggest you all to prepare yourself to be able to get full benefit of listening this recording. For example, by preparing the pen and paper, the atmosphere and the circumstances which support you to grasp the content of the recording fully. Good luck. Socratic questioning is a technique used to encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and deeper understanding of a subject. It involves asking a series of questions to help students think more deeply and critically about a topic. Here are some examples of Socratic questioning techniques. Types of Socratic questions. 1. Clarifying questions. Used to clarify the meaning of a statement or concept. For example, what do you mean by blah, 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 blah? Can you explain that in more detail? 2. Probing questions. Used to encourage students to think more deeply about a topic. For example, what do you think that is true? How does that relate to what we have discussed before? Number 3, challenging questions. Used to challenge students' assumptions or perspectives. For example, what evidence do you have to support that claim? How does that perspective account for? Number 4, connecting questions. Used to help students make connections between different ideas or concepts. For example, how does this relate to what we have learned before? What are the implications of this idea for? 5. Open-ended questions. Used to encourage students to think creatively and explore different perspectives. For example, what do you think about blah, 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 blah? How might we approach this problem from a different angle? Examples of Socratic questions. 1. What is the main idea of this text? 2. How does the author support their argument? 3. What are the implications of this idea for our understanding of blah, 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 blah? 4. How does this concept relate to our everyday lives? 5. What are the strengths and weaknesses of this argument? 6. How might we test or evaluate this idea? 7. What are the potential consequences of this action or decision? 8. How does this idea challenge or support our existing knowledge or beliefs? 9. What are the underlying assumptions of this argument? 10. How might we apply this concept to a real-world problem or scenario? Tips for using Socratic questioning. 1. Start with open-ended questions. Encourage students to think creatively and explore different perspectives. 2. Use follow-up questions. Ask additional questions to probe deeper and encourage critical thinking. 3. Avoid leading questions. Phrases like, do you think that blah, 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 or isn't it true that blah, 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 can lead students to a particular answer. 4. Encourage student-to-student discussion. Allow students to discuss and debate with each other using Socratic questioning to facilitate the conversation. Number 5, be patient and wait for responses. Give students time to think and respond and avoid interrupting or providing answers too quickly. By using Socratic questioning techniques, you can encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and deeper understanding of a subject and help students develop into more thoughtful and reflective learners. Thank you. That's all. Retrieved from Meta WhatsApp on February 19, 2025.